You of course also have the big benefit with Amazon that they offer banner and native ad links. So you not only have product links, but also banners and native shopping ads. Let's go at first with the banners. Here you can only create banners for a whole category. So you cannot say, here for my Raising Rabbits book, I want a banner. But you can tell them, okay, for the topic, maybe pets, I want banner links, which takes like forever. So here Amazon really needs time to show me that. Okay, but now they are loading. And then you see different banners. If you scroll down, for example, this here I like, this is Amazon, but with pets. This here, pets, so these ones I really like. I could now, for example, go for this here and also see the size, which is pretty small with 120 times 240. If I only want a specific size, I can choose that here. Maybe only big ones here with 300 times 600, like this here, or 180 times 150. Yeah, this is a good size. And then you simply can copy here the HTML code, either with iframe or as a JSON code. Click here on highlight, then this is highlighted, and you simply have to copy that and input it into your website or in your blog article, wherever you want basically. And then you will see this picture here that redirects to the official Amazon Pets site. And whatever is happening then here, you will get a commission for. So you cannot link with banners directly to a product, but rather redirect to this category page, which looks of course a bit different for every category. Let me show you that also for beauty maybe. As I said, it really takes a while for Amazon to show me all these banners here. And I, for example, like this here. This is even moving like a GIF, or this here. And whenever somebody clicks, they will see this beauty Amazon page. To be honest, the native shopping ads are even better. So banners were a thing like 5-6 years ago, but now native advertisement is what people want. Why? Because it's not 100% clear and visible with the first look that this is an ad. So it's more integrated into the article or into the website than just, boom, I'm a banner. This is rather native. So you have an overview, for example, recommendation ads, which is this. So you have a product maybe, and then you can add here a code to get related products. You maybe saw that already on a blog. You saw a product, and below that you had related products. Or search ads. So you have a search bar, people can type something in and get the results right here on my blog, in my article, for example. And then they can click, but they can search here directly. Or custom ads, customized for the person that is looking, in this case, top men's running shoes. Here we can now create that. For example, we click on recommendation ads, which I like. And then we have to input a name. My favorite recommendations maybe. We need the tracking ID, which is of course my ID. We can decide on either grid, list, or strip, and we need a category. Let's go here with computers, tablets, and components, and maybe also video games, so we can also select multiple. Here I go with grid maybe. And we need a search keyword, which might be keyboard. Here on Amazon.com, but in the computers, tablets, and components category. Okay. And that's basically it. We can now click on Save and View Ad Code. This is the code that we can now save and use. This HTML code, as well as all the banner codes, I can now use for my website. So the only thing that really matters for social media is actually the product link. But to be honest, most affiliate programs anyway offer only links. So banners and native ads are really a special thing that Amazon offers here.